How to change or remove phone number on Spotify. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can change or remove phone number on Spotify. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. For that, you have to open up Spotify application in your mobile device and make sure that you are logged in into your account. Once you're here, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. Here, tap on settings and privacy. Now tap on the first option that says account. Then head towards the account overview and then tap on it. That's gonna take you to different page in your browser. So once you see this page in your browser, scroll down a bit and there's an option as edit profile, tap on it. So once you land on this edit profile section, if you have added your phone number, you will have an option to change or update your phone number. So there, tap on your phone number and then enter your new phone number. Make sure the number you provided is accessible to you as it may be used for account recovery or verification. Once you have added your number, you have to tap on save profile or update button in order to save changes to your profile. After that, Spotify may prompt you to verify the number. So follow any other additional steps such as entering the verification code via SMS. Once you are verified, your number will be changed or will be updated in your account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.